Hi, welcome back. Another important session. So, SAP loading points understanding. This loading point is common object in logistics execution. If you see this inbound side and outbound side also. Okay, let's see this how it works today. Okay, you can see this. This is one of the typical example. You have a vendor. That means your freight forwarder. So supplier A, B, C is there. Okay. So they are using you see this is the part where they're picking the stock with these vehicles and putting into road transport. And after that, they're using this lift actually, forklift, and taking the stock from this van and keeping into the ship actually. From there, certain products, it need to be, suppose, if you have a different shipment for customer, that is through C actually. Again, now, after that, they are sending through rail, and finally, it is pushed back into the vehicles. And this is for customer A, and this is for customer B. Okay. See, loading cargo into container loading and unloading will happen at a different level. Okay. If you see this screenshot, basic shipping function. This is the place where loading group we are going to decide. Okay, define and decide. So let's try to understand this. What is the advantage with this? I have already explained in my previous videos at the time of shipping point, not much detail like this. So loading group is one of the parameter in a material master, which is helpful to determine your shipping point. So why I required a loading point? So it is exactly like, subdivision of your shipping point. Okay, whereas the place where departure, if you are sending the goods, you need this loading group. What kind of loading group I'm using to do the loading and unloading actually? So let's try to understand this in SAP. Okay, if you come here, so probably you can see my system. So let me try to go here, logistics execution. Okay, in this, if you go to the shipping, okay, so you can see shipping point and goods receiving point determination. Within that only you will have a loading group actually. Loading group, you can see the typical example, this one, loading group standard example. If you would like to define lift or manual or something like that, you can able to define it. For example, if you go to new entries, I'm just doing G001. Okay, uh, so LECTR1, electronic loading. Okay, something is there. Okay, I'm just defining this. Okay, I have saved this one. What are the other cases? For example, if I go to VA01, okay, so let's this is my new document type. Okay, probably you can see this. Okay, so let me give this. This is a new order. Okay, so let's click this, go to the shipping. For loading and so you don't have shipping point determination. You know that the shipping conditions either from customer master or document type, or else it might be from loading group from your material master. For example, select this. This is the place where, okay, let me show you. Let's go this place. Okay, here is loading group is 00023. Okay, let's go to this one. Probably I can go MM02, press enter, press enter. So let's go to this tab, sales and general plan data. Here I can able to choose my whatever I have defined now. Okay. So this is also one of the parameter to determine your shipping point. Again, I said this is subdivision of your, okay, this is the sub process of for your plant and shipping point. Okay, so now let's go to SPRO reference IMG. So probably I can go back to the previous session. Okay, I have killed this session, I think. Okay, let me try to get on to the sales and distribution here. Sorry, logistics execution. Come here. So come to the shipping. Okay, probably I can choose my basic shipping functions. Okay, shipping point and goods receiving. So we have defined our loading group. Now go to the shipping point. This I already explained in my previous videos. Probably you can get it like new entries. I can take shipping condition 01 as of now. Loading group G0001 and plant currently defined UNP1. Okay, and my shipping point. Okay, I need to define this. I haven't defined. Okay, so let's don't save this one. Quickly, I will assign one shipping point to the plant for our example. So go to enterprise structure. See, this I have already shown. This session is for what is the advantage with the loading group, and so one example I wanted to show you because one of my student asked actually to give some details about it. The Udemy student. Okay, so assign shipping point to the plant. I'm just taking the existing one. So probably if I go to Control F, UN01 is my plant. Okay. So UNP1, sorry, this is the plant. Let's go here. So for this, I'm just assigning, I'm not defining any new shipping point as of now. So let me put it something like 1600. I'm taking this one. No issues. Let's save this. Okay, we're good to go. Come back again, the previous configuration where you would like to shipping point determination. Don't worry, you just go through my videos. I just clearly explained so how it works for you. Okay, so go to assign shipping points, this path. I'm just showing because since I explained, there is no point to explain again and again. 01, and this one is my loading group. This one is plant, and probably I can see this whatever the shipping point I have assigned. Okay, this is how the connection happens. Save. So try to check. Let's try to create a sales order. Accordingly, we'll fix the settings actually. See, now you are getting right. Even you got root also. Someone might have done. This is standard shipping point. So this is how you have to play with the system. So I think you learned something about loading point today. Okay, if you like my video, please subscribe and share. You can see this. This is the place where I put in my hard work, 78 hours for this sales and distribution. Currently, it is available 999. Sometimes it is available 400 to 600 cheaper price. Even 1000 also it's okay. Like you can see this. It is 78 and half hours. Okay, so like SAP rebates. If you want to learn stock transfer with full confidence, intercompany sales and SAP SD. If you have some doubts, pricing is one of the dynamic function you must know. Being an SD consultant, you cannot say that I don't want to get into that. If you have some experience, this is one of my favorite topic. You can go through it. And if you want in this advanced in S4, I just configured. There is no much differs. So like probably it is there in next phase. If you are not yet introduced to S4 HANA, you better go through this. Okay, and you have something like getting master to write functional specification. If you are not yet introduced to your real time, let's go back to others. So I have done stock transfers for S4 HANA also. So this is one of the advanced course. This is newly done. So I cannot help it out. Someone don't like it. This one. That's why rating is low. But it doesn't mean that you don't have any content. You can go through this. I'm 100% confident. I have presented with PPT slides. This is one of the best course after my ECC pricing course. Actually, you just go through it. You'll come to know what are the basic differences of SD, ECC, and S4 HANA. Okay, little advanced in standard, and this is for your own credit management if you have doubts, and business processes like returns and everything, like whatever free of charge that you can able to find it here. So that's all for today. Thank you very much. I wish you all the best, and thank you. Thank you for listening. More importantly, Jai Hind.